Hi, happy Teachers' Day to all the wonderful teachers here today. Teachers shape minds, inspire growth, and are the cornerstone of every society. This Teachers' Day, we proudly present insights from the esteemed educational experts, offering guidance to address the parents' concerns and enhance the understanding of their child's learning journey. How can parents encourage a law of reading and learning in their children beyond the school curriculum?
First of all, the parent has to understand that she or he is a role model. Your book, good book, your wife also take out her good book, you also read, and as soon as the child is watching you people doing the same activity, they themselves get encouraged and they do it. Instead of every Sunday going to the malls and asking them, okay, these are the rides, you sit on the rides, I'll go and do my shopping. No, go and spend a little time on a bookshop. The small chairs are there. You also sit down, your child also sit down. Take out a few books, read, discuss the characters. Read the story to your child. Or at the time of bed, you must be having the habit. Don't pick up your mobile. You also keep it in the lock, under the lock. And read a book.
In what ways can parents and teachers collaborate to address and prevent the academic burnout in students?
Parents and teachers can work together by keeping open communication and providing emotional support to prevent academic burnout in students. Encouraging balanced schedules, promoting healthy study habits, and recognizing achievements are important steps. Additionally, creating a supportive learning environment, monitoring stress levels, and encouraging extracurricular activities help maintain students' well-being. Ensuring time for relaxation, regularly checking on progress, fostering a positive mindset, and watching for signs of support academic success. Thanks too much.
How can teachers and parents join the work together to support the students and reduce the academic burnout?
In my view, academic burnouts of the students can be taken into consideration with the collaborative effort made by the parents and the teachers only. First of all, I will take the collaborative effort of the teachers. Teachers have to judge in their classrooms that how students are dealing with their subjects. I think in my view, students are of different type and we have to detect how much they are interested in which type of subjects. Then only we can guide our students to be and give better results. In case of teachers, we have the two perspectives, that is the mindfulness, and meditation is also a very important part in this academic results. If we want to enhance our academic results, the parents are also to be motivated about their students, and we have to think that how kids are going to do better results in their future. For that, we have to know about their strengths and weaknesses of the students. Thank you.
Thank you, teachers, for inspiring us through the ages. We are forever grateful for your guidance and invaluable lessons you share with us every day. Happy Teachers' Day once again to all the wonderful teachers.